Hello, people of YouTube. In this video, I'm gonna do this is Bud, and this is Weiser. In other words, it's the Budweiser Neon. So I'm gonna start. Let me tell you what, this is the weather report. Not only do you get to see how I make the signs, you get the weather report also. 2 for 1. Today is sunny, 83 degrees. Sunset is going to be at 5:43. Today the maximum was 85. Tomorrow, Friday, the maximum is going to be 91, and the minimum 56. The rest of the days from here till next week is going to be kind of in between 81 and 68. So tomorrow, Friday, tomorrow is going to be the hottest day since the winter, 91. And let me tell you the difference between, because I've got here for example, in Calexico, California, which is just about 3 hours east, today was 94 maximum, and tomorrow is going to be 97, and then Saturday it's going to be 99. So imagine that. Now let me tell you, New York, maximum 45. On Monday it's going to be 27. Incredible differences in temperature, in weather. The weather is very important to me, because even though I can't avoid it, there's no way. I've been thinking I should get me an air conditioner here. That's why it's important, because When it gets to around 90 and up, it really is not very comfortable to be here. But if I buy one of those small air conditionings, I don't know if it'll work. Because I need two doors open so the air, circulates. So if I have an air conditioning, I don't think it would heat up the room. And I can't close the doors. Almost done with this thing, Budweiser. I told my client that I would ship it today. I'm gonna ship it until tomorrow. I still have to pump it. I have to pump it and then I have to block it out. And then I have to package it. So it's still a bunch of things that I have to do. And also I have to find me a good box. I can't ship it just in any type of box. It has to be one of those heavy duty boxes. The bud is ready to pump. This is another job that I did that needs to be pumped. I have to move the stuff that I have over here because I don't have space for that. And then also this, which is the martini glass. This martini glass, I have to put it on another piece of acrylic because this one's already breaking. And then I have to build the martini olive and the martini, what do you call it? The thing which you stir the martini. So this job is after this one. So that job, the martini will probably be tomorrow. And then I got another sign that I also have to do, which I will leave there. It's a Molson beer sign. So the bud is done. Bud section is done. And now the second part of the Budweiser. This one. That's it for today. What day is it today? Well, that's the way it is. February 26, 2026. That's the way it is. So, I'll see you on the next video, which will be very soon. Thank you so much for watching me.